Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. This is an unboxing of the Gladius Mini S. As you open the box, you'll notice that inside is just a nice backpack. Inside this first zipper is the instruction manual, a really nice microfiber cloth. I didn't realize this, but this opens the whole entire backpack, guys, not just a single compartment. This is the actual unit itself. Guys, this thing looks amazing. I can't wait to get this out in the water. Yeah, and then on this side up here, guys, is just the cable. This one comes with 200 meters. The one that you got might come with 100 meters. It's just a very nice high quality cable. And then this top compartment is the remote control. And I believe this is big enough for just a normal cell phone, but you could also expand this and fit an iPad in here, I believe, which is super nice. And then in this bag is just the charging cable. In the bag up here, there's some more accessories, USB cables to hook into your iPad or your phone. You also have the GoPro attachment for the bottom. Tucked away down here is the grabber claw, I believe. Yeah, so that was the grabber claw down there. And this just attaches to the bottom of the unit as well. And then just more accessories for the grabber claw. This, I believe, is a screen hood for the controller, so in bright sunlight, it shades the controller from the sun. As far as the case goes, guys, yeah, just the main compartment goes to the main compartment with the cord, the grabbing hook, and everything else. And then the controller and stuff goes in the top part here. The backpack itself is really nice, has some nice straps. It's just really nice that it comes with this. This is just an unboxing of the Gladius Mini S. I can't wait to get out there and use this thing. It looks like an awesome piece of equipment. All the pieces of equipment look like they're high quality. And yeah, it just looks awesome. And the way that they're packed comes really nice and neat. And yeah, it's going to be fun. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.